Okay, let me wake you up. I was not born rich. I was not born with luck. The business results that I have right now, this is not just a matter of luck. I worked for this. If you want to build a business that creates residual income, passive income, yearly income on a monthly basis, a quit your job kind of income online so you can quit desk work and live in places of your dreams, don't think that it will just fall in your lap. It didn't fall in my lap. It didn't fall in all the successful people you see online laps. If you think that someone was lying to you, that was the case, or you just made it up because you think that that's how success is created, but it's not. Success is created and money is success is created by effort, and I worked very hard for it, especially the first 18 months, basically first 1.5 year. I lived a double life. I'm gonna be honest, I was working full-time and I started to learn all these new skills. I had no clue what I was doing. No money was coming in, and people were laughing at me. People were saying, you cannot do this. So I had my inner circle against me. I had no proof. The language I decided to market online was not my first language. So as a Dutch social worker, almost burned out with a broke restaurant owner, that is my starting point. No, I was never ever born rich or lucky or had no magic stick or something. So you want to be free, you want to live a life of your dreams, you have to be willing to put for a limited of time. So that's not forever, but for a limited of time, you have to have the guts and you have to be able to make the decision to go for this all the way. So be all in with your goals and dreams. Do whatever it takes to absorb new information that leads to new skill sets. And those skill sets, that includes how you think, mindset, and a skill set that creates the building blocks for your, if you want to have an online business like I do, that are the building blocks. So it won't fall in your lap. It didn't work for me that way. And that's the misunderstanding, because there are a lot of liars online. It's just the truth. There's people just pretending that they're just whatever, like there the money comes. Yeah, there are very easy ways to generate an income, but if you're not working on the mindsets and that income stream changes, which happens all the time, then those people not working on their mindset are not able to accept those changes, and they get frustrated, they get angry, they're super reactive. That's not the way, right? So you cannot run from learning new skill sets for successful businesses online. I hope that I am a realistic example for you. I will never pretend that I woke up and suddenly all that money was coming, because I worked my butt for it, and I still do very functional things, very strategic things on a daily basis. Not totally not full-time working days, but I do things on a daily basis to keep up my business. I have to connect with people. I have to create social media. I am active on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. I handle all my emails myself. I create courses. I have my inner circle community groups, including for my leads, for my followers, for my students. I love to do this. And yes, this is the result. But I can just do nothing on days like this. So this is your wake-up call. I'm the realistic entrepreneur here. So yeah, if you want to work with people like me, hey, you just have to message me, click on my bio link, follow my steps, and if you're not that serious, stop following me, because I'm a waste of your time. Have a beautiful day.